Alright, picked up another box of 2009 UD Black from the local card store. See what we got here. As you can see, I am not moving in my car, so I'm not one of those guys, but let's see. Actually just pulled up to school, had some time to kill, so I figured I would break it now. Merlin Olsen, Shawn Green, not a horrible rookie. But I think I pulled like 3 Shawn Greens out of this stuff, so got quite a few of him, although he sells pretty well, so. Here, Paul Hornung, I'm going to guess another rookie. Yeah, Aaron Curry, so local guy, I'll take that. Not bad, double rookie box, so oh well. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys.